We actually have this saying at Jamf, we call us one Jamf, and I think pretty much everything we do showcases that value. An individual is only as strong as a team around you.
One of my all-time favorite things about the Jamf culture is all of the different cultures and unique people. And I love that we're able to kind of come together and work collaboratively.
We get to work with a lot of different diversities of people across the globe. So you get to learn their culture as well, which is something which is very unique to Jamf.
The people that I've ran into are just amazing people. They're always super helpful. They're super nice as well. You can reach out to them to honestly talk about like anything.
This sense of community and mutual support encourages everyone to contribute positively and work together towards our common goals.
I'd say my favorite thing about the Jamf culture is how everyone helps each other out, and this really contributes to our culture and makes Jamf a really special place to work.
One Jamf symbolizes all of the different aspects in Jamf's coming together to work on one common goal.
It means we are all one and all together in supporting each other at Jamf.
We are one Jamf.
हम है एक Jamf.
Smeared and Jamf.
We
are
are
one
one
Jamf.
Jamf.